Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on iPhone 16 Pro. To connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Choose a Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Also make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled. I'm gonna choose this network and then enter its password. Click on Join, and if the password was entered correctly, then it will show this check mark and it will show the Wi-Fi icon on the status bar. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.